Hi everyone. Who wants a slice of warm, freshly baked date cake? Today I'm making a rich and delicious date cake packed with sweet dates, real butter, and crunchy cashew nuts. The aroma in the kitchen is absolutely amazing. Just look at this cake, soft, fluffy, and perfectly moist. I'm lucky enough to taste it fresh from the oven. And trust me, it's irresistible. Let's get started and bake this beautiful homemade date cake together. Now you can see all the ingredients on the screen. If you're interested in making this delicious date cake at home, feel free to pause the video and write them down. Let's look at the ingredients for this delicious date cake. First, I have 300 grams of date cut into small pieces. I added a half a cup of water and cooked them in the microwave for about 2 minutes. After that, I gently mashed them using my fingers. You can also blend the dates if you prefer, but I like to keep a few small chunks because it gives a nice texture to the cake. Then I have added half a teaspoon of baking soda into it and mix it well. Next, we need 250 grams of butter, 300 grams of flour, cake flour, or you can use all purpose flour, 180 grams of sugar. Since the dates are naturally sweet, we don't need to add too much sugar. I am also using 5 large eggs. Here I have about 10 to 15 extra dates cut into small pieces and some cashew nuts which add a nice crunch to the cake. For the liquid, I have half a cup of milk. For flavor, I am adding about one half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder and half a teaspoon of cinnamon along with vanilla essence and a little rose essence. I also have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and the flour has already been sifted. Finally, I have few pieces of glazed ginger chopped into small pieces and add a beautiful flavor to the cake. My baking tray is ready to go. I have lined it with baking paper and it's all prepared for the cake batter. Now the next step is to beat the butter and sugar together. You can see how soft my butter is. It is at room temperature. This is very important. Don't use butter straight from the fridge because the butter needs to be soft for the cake to become light and fluffy. Now beat the butter and the sugar together until the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and pale in color. This step helps create a soft and fluffy cake texture. Now add the eggs to the butter mixture one by one, beating well after each addition. This helps the egg mix smoothly into the batter and keeps the mixture nice and creamy. Keep beating until everything is well combined and the mixture looks smooth and rich. Remember to scrape down the side of the bowl. This is very important to make sure everything mixes evenly and gives a cake smooth texture. Now it's time to add the essence. I am adding 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence and about a quarter teaspoon of rose essence. Rose essence is not always used in cake. but it gives us such a beautiful aroma and flavor, especially when combined with butter and dates. It makes the cake smell absolutely amazing while baking. Now I am adding the soaked date mixture, which has softened nicely and turned into a thick date paste. Add all of the date paste into the batter. Now gently mix everything together until the dates are well combined with the butter mixture. This will give the cake its rich color, natural sweetness, and beautiful flavor. Now add the flour in small batches along with the nutmeg and cinnamon powder. Gently mix everything together so the batter stays light and smooth. I also forgot to show you earlier. Here I have some candied ginger pieces, extra date pieces, and cashew nuts. These will add wonderful flavor and texture to the cake. Then them into the batter and mix gently. Now pour the milk and continue mixing until everything comes together into a smooth and even batter. I have saved some cashews aside because we will sprinkle them on top of the cake before baking for a beautiful finish. Now I'm using a spatula to gently mix everything together. Keep folding the batter until all the flour has completely disappeared and the mixture becomes smooth and evenly combined. Once the batter is ready, pour it into the prepared baking tray. Spread it evenly and smooth the surface. Now the cake batter is ready to go into the oven. Bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Since this cake is quite thick, it may take a little longer depending on the height of the batter. I will let you know the exact baking time once it's perfectly baked. Just look at the beautiful date cake. You can see how soft, fluffy, and moist it is inside. It's still steaming hot, straight from the oven, and I honestly can't wait to taste it. It took 50 minutes in the oven. You should smell my kitchen right now. The aroma is everywhere. The sweet smell of dates, roasted cashew, vanilla, and hint of rose essence all come together to create such an amazing flavor. This cake is rich, soft, and perfectly balanced with little piece of dates and crunchy cashew in every bite. Try Try making this delicious homemade date cake for your family tea time or any special occasion and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your support means a lot and helps me bring more delicious recipe for you. We have also shared fruitcake and alwa recipe for the Sri Lankan Sinhala New Year. So don't forget to check out those videos as well. Go and have look, try them at home and enjoy these traditional treats with your family.